Good morning to everyone. Today is the preliminary conference of Pinakatalitin for projects. We have here the contract ID number 24HC0056, the contract ID number 24HC0057, 24HC058 and 59. So the planning and design will be done to read the title of this project and so before we proceed,
We transport ourselves in the Good morning, Lord God, and thank you for the things that we have received this day. Thank you also, Lord, for the safe travel, for the good health that we have, and the good leaders. Daghang tayong salamat ng tanan Ginoo sa kanunay ang kailangan ni Mayor ng Diyos sa iyong kaayo nga kanao at simpulan sa among pagkamakasala. Ikaw na sa dayon hatag sa mga siya nga kanao. Ug among pagayon na kayo Lord ay dala iyong mga espiritu karon ang giya ka na mo magdasig mo sa among pagayon karon kay Victor Cheres kontak ini mga puso ng mga Ini ang kinasing-kasing yung ipalay ko sa mga tayo, yung Kristo ang Ginoo. Amen.
So, number one project is basic infrastructure program, access routes and procedures from the national road leading to major strategic public building facilities, construction of road, barangay RUFO to BARGU. 151 Green Days, issued to BUENAVISTA Bohol, ABC 99 million. Basic engineering program, rehabilitation, construction, protecting major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of UBAY, flood control structures, Barangay BONGBONG to Barangay San PASCUAL to Bohol, 365 calendar days. UBAY Bohol, ABC 39,200,000 pesos. Next projects 24HC 0058. Convergence and Special Support Program, infrastructure projects, alleviating gaps, CPAG, access road and or bridges from the national road and leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, improvement of roads, Barangay Tapal to Barangay Sintinila, Ubay Bohol, 129 calendar days, Kitchen of Bohol, ABC 29,400,000 pesos. The last one is 24HC 0059, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, access road and or bridges from national road, leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, improvement of road junction, DEO, Kamambugan, Kamambugan, Tubog, integrated high school, Ubay, Corazon, San Pascual, San Miguel Bohol, 150 calendar days, petition, San Miguel Bohol, ABC, for 9,500,000. So we give the floor to the planning and design section for this awards. Next. After the planning session, we will meet the procurement engineers to discuss regarding the documents. And then we have here also the implementing section, the person of engineer Regulus.
Okay, good morning everyone. This is Martin for basic infrastructure program, plant mitigation, structure protecting regular or strategic buildings or communities, construction of UBAY flood control structure, Barangay BONGBONG to Barangay PASCUAL by Bohol. For this project, we have 3 different locations and composed of 6 sections. Okay, natay raising up of grades sa mga existing kalsada o flood control per location. Appropriation is 40 million, source of fund, infrastructure FY 2024. We also have 3 different types of box culvert engine, 3x3x8, 3x5x8, 4x5x8. Flood control length is 498.06 meters. Total project duration is 365 calendar days. Workable days of 61 calendar days. DEO is 2%, worth of 800,000, and total construction cost is 39,200,000. For the item, works have 8.1.18, provision of field office for the engineer at all basis, 12.17 months. 8.1.116, operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer, 12.17 months. 8.1.111, provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the engineer, 1 lump sum. Part B, other general requirements, 3.3, permits and expenses, 1 lump sum. Project billboard or signboard, 3 each. B.71, occupational safety and health, 1 lump sum. B.91, mobilization or immobilization, 1 lump sum. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary or plumbing works. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete works. 901C, structural concrete, 3000 PSI, class A, 8 days. 233.98 cubic meters. Sorry. 902.1A1, reinforcing steel deformed, grade 40, 29,688.40 kilograms. Part J, flood control and drainage. 801.4A1, removal of across structures or obstruction, 610 diameter RCPC, 12 each. 1701, clearing and grabbing, 1,284.01 square meters. 1701.1, unsuitable excavation, 1,782.03 cubic meters. 1701.2, surplus common excavation, 1,773.02 cubic meters. 1702.18, structure excavation, common soil, 1,444.19 cubic meters. 1704.1b, embankment from borrow, common soil, 11,925.49 cubic meters. 1707, aggregate surface force, 1,022.32 cubic meters. 1710.18, refract class A, 1,174.44 cubic meters. 1710.28, gravity refract class A, 1,963.11 cubic meters. 1711.1, stone masonry, 42.31 cubic meters. 1718.183, pipe culverts, 910 mm diameter, class 2 RCPC, 22 linear meters. Documents. minimum equipment requirement, 1 loader trailer, 1 dump truck, 2 models, 1 cargo reservice truck, 5 tons, 1 payloader, 1 backhoe, 1 bagger concrete mixer, 1 water truck, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 bulldozer, 1 motorized road grader, and 1 vibratory roller. Start sa technical sections nato. Natay doha ka kuan. Typical section sa atong flood control depende sa location. Natay kaning sa taas is existing sapa nga giyon kung baha na pag nga lang nato dahil both sides nga isa kay butang na o panel reinforced concrete panel. And sa atong basic output grades, we have the typical section sa walay snow protection o sa with snow protection, and for locations na natungnan sa mga kabasakan natay ma-excavate anin sa kilid 3 meters gikan sa center line na move out na og 1 meters 1 meter.
Laylay na design na ano para kada
Pagkata sa buong kabasakan may kasi yun
Tulo calculation na like especially sa flood control kasi kanang design sa flood control din na part. Every intersection sa flood control o sa basic upgrades natay box culvert. Ang dimension is depende sa location. Natay 3x3, natay 3x5 o 4x5 yung box culverts.
Di ba kung mag-agi mga tao ito mga iwan?
Asa ka nang bunga sa training, makatupado sila kang lahat ng barangay ito. Katawin ang barangay ko na, pasak mo na ito.
Una ko ba ito, ang parto sa kanang plan kayo, may makita nga barangay ko.
Alam mo sa baryo,
Wala na may tukod ang Marcia.
ang masira o bumbu ka lang na ito.
Tapos,
Good morning, everyone. This is for HC 056 for Emergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BARGY, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of road barangay to BARGU BUENAVISTA Bohol, location of BUENAVISTA Bohol, station limit of Station 1, Station 2, Station 3, 1,259.60 to Section 2 from Station 0 to Station 1,166 with a total appropriation of 100 million for the regular infrastructure of 2024. With a total length of 3,425.60 meters PCCP width of 6.1 meters and 20.20 meters. ABC would be 99 million pesos. For the items under part for the facilities for the engineer, 8.1.1 provision of field office for the engineer and pro basis 6.03 months. 8.1.114 provision of laboratory testing equipment, apparatus and publications for the engineer 1 lump sum. 8.1.116 operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer 6.03 months. B.3 permits and clearances 1 lump sum. B.5 project billboard signboard 3 each. B.72 occupational safety and health program 1 lump sum. B.81 traffic management 6.03 months. B.9 mobilization demobilization 1 lump sum. 103A1 individual removal of trees small 150 to 300 and 50 each. 101.3B3 removal of actual structures obstruction 0.15 and thick 113.70 square meters. 102.2 structural surplus common excavation 48,283.22 cubic meters. 104.2 embankment from borrow common soil 12,675.50 cubic meters. 201 aggregate sub-base course 9,960.21 cubic meters. 311.1 C1 Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced 0.23 meters thick 14 days 18,606.32 square meters. 501A3 5 culverts 910 mm diameter class 2 RCPC 84 linear meters. 501A6 5 culverts 1,520 mm diameter class 2 RCPC 24 linear meters. 505A grouted riprap plastic 2,143.19 cubic meters. 506.1 stone machinery 1,252.35 cubic meters. 612.1 reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white 746.40 square meters and 612.2 reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings yellow 880 square meters. For the minimum equipment requirement, we have 1 bulldozer, 1 loaded trailer, 2 dump trucks, 1 payloader, 1 motorized road grader, 1 vibratory road loader, 1 water truck, 1 stick truck, 6 barcade lights, 1 transit mixer, 2 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete batch plant, 1 concrete spreader, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 garbage truck, 1 applicator machine, 1 kneading machine, 1 mechanized joint sealer, 1 portable mist-based sanitation tank, 2 thermal scanner, 1 power sprayer, and 1 bucket. So for the plan of the project, there are some common vehicle roadway sections, mostly conjunct and flaps more on cut and roaded reflect. Inya kanang mistake po din hinay part na may existing na 4-meter wide pavement. Ako man sa gidukanin ng ifta na naman sa part na kanang ano siya dito na. May na po part na kanang add na naka-straight na sa every station yung mga sa tama
Mga na pre-construction so gaya po sa
nasa taan ni ko ang double barrel na 1,520 yeah diameter. So here are some details for the procedure. Third graph. So we're on cutting
pre-construction, ano yung naman? Makita niyo doon. Asa hanggang sa project plan.
Oo,
Tanang for
pagkatapos sa position. Tatang
Isang dito,
sa ubay doon na.
ini ito sa so, katawan ka mabugat. Katawan ka mabugat. Si, halang yung sa kolipot niya. Sa kolipot ko yan.
Okay, mga tabang lubot sa silong ng ibayan sa
Our next project is 24HC0058, Convergence and Special Support Program, Sustainable Infrastructure Projects alleviating DAP, CPAD, access roads and/or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, improvement of road, Barangay Tapao to Barangay Centennial, Bohol. So our station limits from 0 to 1 plus 200 for the amount of 30 million. Our length of PCCP is 1,200. We have here an open canal and also solar lights for the total project duration of 129 calendar days. Our EO for this project is 2%. For the scope of work, we have Part A, facilities for the engineer, A118, provision of field office for the engineer rental basis, 4.30 months. A1111, provision of furnitures/fixtures, equipment and appliances for the field office for the engineer, 1 lump sum. A1116, operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer, 4.30 months. Part B, other general requirements. B.3, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. B.5, project billboard, signboard, 3 each. B.7, to occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. B.81, traffic management, 4.3 months. And B.10, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. For Part C, earthworks, we have item 103A1, individual removal of trees, small, 150 to 300 mm diameter, 91 each. Item 1013B3, removal of uphold structures, obstruction, 150 meter thick, 400 square meters. Item 102.2, surplus common excavation, 2,906.38 cubic meters. Item 103.1A, structure excavation common soil, 473.10 cubic meters. Item 104.2A, embankment from borrow common soil, 957.27 cubic meters. For Part D, sub-base and base scores, item 201, aggregate sub-base scores, 3,361.20 cubic meters. Part E, surface scores, item 3111C1, Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced, 0.23 meter thick 14 days, 7,320 square meters. Next is Part G, drainage and slope protection structures. Item 4041A, reinforcing steel grade 40, 8,315.13 kilograms. Item 4041B, reinforcing steel grade 60, 965.94 kilograms. Item 4051A3, structural concrete 20.68 MPa, Class A 28 days, 162 cubic meters. Item 4051B3, structural concrete Class A, 27.58 MPa, 28 days, 13.77 cubic meters. Next is item 501K1, pipe culvert 610 mm diameter Class 2 RCPC, 40 lineal meters. And 5061, stone masonry 33.60 cubic meters. For Part H, miscellaneous structures, 612 one reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, 283.45 square meters. 612 two reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings yellow, 66.20 square meters. And lastly, we have item 6249A1 for single arm 8 meter pole, solar LED roadway lighting 120 watts, 1.5 meter mast arm length, 250 kph wind speed, that is 17 H. For our equipment requirement is just the same as the earlier project, common for completing projects. Let us proceed to the detailed engineering design. So, wala na ba tayo ng section, but ang width aming project is 5 meters. Sa top. Is 5 meters.
Sa tatong bangkuan nila, kalisat yan ang utuloy. So, 6 months na.
Ay, hindi ko ano ma'am. Tapal.
Kapal. 6 months na kalisat yan. Ito pa rin na itong bigini lagi din sa tatong bangkuan.
Kapag makulig ka itong dagan lagi maigo nga kanatahoy sa dagat. Isag man, panagad ko yung taon.
Sige, atin yung mga po ang dami.
Ang lagi.
Ito. Tapal to Sintinila.
Kapag yung sinti nila, sino ba niya?
Wala ka naman magdagat man nga katong ay asal ba na magsugod ayo.
Ay.
Hindi na bigini. Giro mo.
O, nasa sa kanila. Ang edad naman ba, tumoy naman ka doon sa dagat sa Sintinila.
Sumpay. Sumpay sa kami isa to kami sa piyak. Taguna. Sunod ni sisa.
Oo, pero lahi naman yung nga ka ng kuan, ma'am.
Iskina?
Asa magkasol ka na may barangay hall? Dapat.
Oo, kahit natin.
Kung dato si katulog sila.
Sa mga una ka tayo.
Kuwagan, ani, kay...
Naliligang maigo ko nung
Sumpay siguro mo kay lahat ng tapas.
O, dagang may...
Mo manisot na sa kayan.
Kami sa dagat na.
Pero naman sa program na daghan man siya, rin ay kanang trees na kanang kuan. Daghan siya ba?
Ay, magaling sila yan. Problema mo lang initan sa PNR. Pero tumoy na siguro na, last na.
Sumpay na din na sa buwan. Ang karong sa piyak.
Huwag pa may maigo ng kahoy.
Oo.
Yakal ka nga dagpo ng kuno. Pag-survey ko na anak sa una, pag may pakal mga dagpo ng kuno.
So, this is the alignment of the project.
Ano yung ubay?
Kung may napausan mo ka mo.
Saan?
Atong tangkuan. Yung 16 na classroom. First year.
Asa man nagdit sa
Ay, it is
So, ito mga upper section kay ongoing pa man ako pa pero 5 meters. Pero kung ano siya kung mag-ski naman siya.
Kasi na sa kaya mo. Dapat mag-ski.
Pero ito mo yung mga kay ano naman siya abot.
Hindi man nakabuto kayo dahil buto man kayo. Namay mag-ski anak. Asa ka na
Naka di ay. Hindi mo pala kami drawing.
Kaya fishing o katong tumoy fishing galing ato ang pantalan. Ato kay sa kay ang ko na to kay fishing man sa pantalan.
Sa tapal mo? Ay,
Kung tapal ko si Dirina.
hindi. Mo. Ayaw mo na. Mo ka. Let's proceed to the next project. 24 HC 0059. Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings facilities, improvement of road junction PER Kamambugan to Tubog, Integrated High School, UBAY, to Corazon San Miguel, UBAY, Bohol. So our location is in UBAY, Bohol. Our station limits from station 0 to station 2 plus 00. Our appropriation is 50 million. Our length of PCCP is 2,000 meters with 6.10 meter width and 0.23 meter thickness. We also have 19 solar lights for the 19.
Then it's
Yes, ma'am, the bulletin.
Pero mutanan pa mga surat.
Pwede mo siya kaya kita dito wasa open. So, no, tingnan.
Then, total project duration is 158 calendar days. The natong iya for this is only 1% kay BIP project.
Ano yung variance na? 1% ba?
Depende sa to ako. Ay, kawin. Pagpili ko na din.
So for our scope of work, we have Part A, facilities for the engineer. Item E118, provision of field office for the engineer rental basis, 5.27 months. E1111, provision of furniture, fixtures, equipment, and appliances for the field office for the engineer, 1 lump sum. Item E1116, operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer, 5.27 months. Part B, other general requirements, we have B.3, permits and clearances, 1 lump sum. B.5, project billboard, signboard, 3 each. B.72, occupational safety and health program, 1 lump sum. B.81, traffic management, 5.27 months. And B.9, mobilization, demobilization, 1 lump sum. For Part C, which is earthworks, item 103A1, individual removal of trees, small 150 to 300 mm diameter, 22 each. Item 1014A1 for removal of actual structures / obstruction, 600 mm, 610 mm diameter RCPC, 32 linear meters. 102.2 surplus common excavation, we have 12,627.61 cubic meters. Item 103.1A for structure excavation common soil, 23.10 cubic meters. Item 104.2A, embankment from borrow common soil, 2,394.52 cubic meters. For Part B, sub-base and base course, we have item 201, aggregate sub-base course, 5,600 cubic meters. Part E, surface course, 3111C1, Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced, 0.23 meter thick, 14 days, 12,527.16 square meters. For Part G, drainage and slope protection structures, we have item 4041A for reinforcing steel grade 40, 491.91 kilograms. 441B, reinforcing steel grade 60, 1,079.58 kilograms. We have item 4051B3, structural concrete class A, 27.58 MPa, 28 days, 15.39 cubic meters. We have item 501A1 for pipe culvert, 610 mm diameter class 2 RCPC. We have 24 lineal meters, and 501A3 pipe culverts, 910 mm diameter class 2 RCPC, 104 lineal meters. We have item 5052A for grouted riprap class A, 417.56 cubic meters, and 506.1 for stone masonry, 112.50 cubic meters. For Part H, miscellaneous structures, we have item 612.1 for reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, 468.4 square meters, and for the yellow, we have the quantity of 126.4 square meters. And lastly, we have item 602.49A1 for single arm 8 meter pole solar LED roadway lighting, 120 watts, 1.5 meter mast arm length, 250 kph wind speed. We have 19 each. For the detailed engineering design, so the net length is 2 kilometers. This is the alignment. Sa iskin na siya. Yes, ma'am.
Lalay tutubog.
Yes.
Ito sa katong kamambugan na
Yeah. Airport. At bang.
Di na nakaabot sa di na nakaabot sa tulay.
Dili ra, ma'am. Dili ra siya, ma'am. Sa tulay.
tulad na katong para pa hababaw o para pakuan. Pakuan sol.
Tubog. Ay, ma'am. Ay, wako tulay. Sige.
Kuan kanang sige bigang dali na.
Dire sa
Ang
abot
first
sa tulay.
station,
Kuan.
first station ba na? So, dito sa Sina Highway.
Kumuna katong istoryahan na di ba tabot sa tulay
Yeah,
at tulay
yeah.
ana katong na tulay ana nga brad mo gamay
Isa pa.
ra. O sa pa.
Sa box holder.
Di na siya nakaabot ng
Dili ra abot din sa mga unitan ang napaligamay yung mga kilometers.
Sa party station.
So for our typicals, we have the first section, then 9 sections na dito to the riprap.
Lamay ba?
Gamay rin. Then, na ay RCPC for the proposed. Kung ay sa mga iskina bitaw mapag-i-appelan sa siyang culvert. Kay, ano na. Nakanitik lang sa. O na may, Miss Ma'am, sa mga iskina kay, actually, i-appelan ko siya kaya na kuan concrete.
Kilometers.
4 blocks.
Or
Yeah.
blocks.
O pagka blocks per ang width is 4 meters ra. I-apply na siya sa quantity sa PCCP. Yes, ma'am.
Sa PCCP.
Ang nakuha ko.
Hindi siya mabigo.
O kung sa 2,000 ra.
O 2,000 multiply mo itong
Sige po,
6.10.
matunay.
Dapat 12.2 ra dapat.
Yes,
Hindi mo
ma'am.
siya 12.6 tungod na complete
Yes,
sa
ma'am. Sa mga iskina. Sa iskina din siya mas mo.
di ba ilisod na to dahil itong tubog, di ba na gamay nga tulay na, mabungkad na siya.
Sa wala kami.
Isulod mo ba, di ba na kulay gamay ka, ayaw nga mo, legit ka.
Dili ra, ma'am. Oo, dili ra. Sige.
Ato na ganit kan ano ka naka-imagine mo.
Pag-survey,
Sige mo may abin.
kaya ito po kumahapon, gasukod ko kilometra padong sa quarry.
Kasi pag-survey ko, hindi to. Amorang.
Ay, ito po, pinasugod ko. Kilometrado na po.
Then,
Tama rin, sa ito pa, 400 ka ang volume sa kanang. Pila ka iski naman.
upat total kay Estina.
Pero, ang ilang mo lang dito, 2 kilometers.
Mawag yun siya sa cities.
Ay, wala to siya appeal. Okay.
So, ma-short po siya.
Unsa naman siya? Hindi.
So, 2 kilometers na.
Ang giplasan mo ko siya.
Klasa na.
Giplasan siya.
Kasi ang atong patong, ito 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers.
Wala na hospital na ito.
Wala na mo, kung sila galing ko kay ang mga galing kay ang bulong dako.
Dako kita.
Asa mo dito yung bulong
Sa Estina. Nya. Butang ko siya RCPC na include na.
Ako to si mga precinct ko eh.
Ito na, inspection ko na.
May infection. Kaya ang 50 dapat to kilometers naman.
Okay, yung execution ng execution na program.
Pero 620 nito.
Per 620.
Hawan mo dito nito. Bawal problema lang. Mga yutak, mga bagian. Sila, iba ito mga problema.
Oh, problema, hindi na iway din doon. Wala naman. Karena in place man. No?
Wala ka lang siya. Why shoulder?
Shoulder ba gamay? 1 meter, 1.5. Pero shoulder na doon.
1.5.
Oh, di mo sumpa ko 1.5. Hindi sila pa. Huwag nila yun ka.
Kasi mag-iwisip na daan. Yun na, clinic pa.
Pero no, alam mo na tao, yung mga problema, yung mga sinilina.
Ay, mga Jimelin.
Okay, mga tugas, kung kami check yan.
Kasi
Bawal na.
hindi makawin siya ang then sa perception kay BRGY.
Simutay ko no? Yung time na question na kilometers to.
2 kilometers.
Kaya our expectations, every 25 and 1 kilometer.
50 m.
O 50 m, so 2 kilometers dyan.
Oh,
Kaya
yeah.
kaya contact ko ba? Dapat yung solar.
Kaya buka po siya kahit nagpapun ng murag.
Nagwitan na.
Ang gawin mo po siya.
So, nara yung sections ay then that's all for this project.
Thank you so much. Ma'am Seth.
Hindi ba sa after mo? Ako tayo sunod.
Tawin mo na.
Online o online.
Wala na. Sa procurement na po. Good morning. Sa tanan. Our viewers, good morning. For the procurement, about the documentation, wala yung mga documentation, procurement, kanang mag-remind ko nga ang opening of this for this project will be on March 26, 2024. Wrapping time will be 2 p.m. So, pwede mo mga kapatid kung ano nalito. So, may atong ban sa procurement guidelines. First, only owner or licensing officer or any representative is allowed to purchase and draft the documents. So, more or less, like, allowed to purchase or draft. After this period, the contractor can buy the documents and will be given. Next, again, drafting time or opening of bid is at 2 p.m. Late bids are not accepted. Official time is our bandiklat at the second floor. So, second floor naman, that's the official time. Use A4 size of one paper in the technical and financial documents. Next is three copies. In the financial technical, 3 copies. Original, copy 1 and copy 2. Enclosed na 1 envelope. For paging, tagging, and book bound, for paging, use 1 of 50. For tagging, use the name of sheet. For example, the securing declaration, mga ibutali ng number. Abang kubal, di, number, ibutan. Next is attach the following legal documents. Mamani ang mga legal documents plus A documents. ikaw license, field check certificate, tax clearance, mayor's permit, o DTI, BARSEC. Those legal documents that are not updated na field chip are no longer accepted. So, kaning field chip, important kini, kinanglan inyong i-update yung documents, kaya kasi ang inyong mga documents na nasa field chip, one pa, kanang na bailan mo lang summarize ang inyong mga documents na inyong attach. Kung wag pa ganin update inyong documents sa field chip, dili dyan mo ma-awardan kay non-comply mo, ma-eligible mo ka na dyan na sa field check na ilan needed sila i-update ang mga sa GPPB Resolution Number 15 Series of 2021 money of support na about sa updating of document current and updated documents in field check money dapat yun ang i-currently update. And automatic suspension of the validity of the certificate. So, i-suspend ang inyong validity certificate. Dili na mga dawat. Mula GPPB Resolution Number 15, Series of 2021. Next is, all documents need to be notarized as BBOC. So, tanang nga dokumento nga kinanglan ang notarized sa BBOC din na. Okay. Naman na dili mabuo. So, late lang yun. For new contractor, submit yung company profile. So, kung bagong contractor, i-submit yung company profile. Update all your documents in the CWR. Kay uban, dili nila sa una nag-update sa CWR. So, ang ma-arrive ito katong mga kanang late na mga documents, mga expire na sa i-update yun na. Like your permit, interest, tax, and tax clearance. Then, next is, din yung planning list award kay Manong Corta. Next is, contractors incur negative slatage should not be awarded. So, usa ka project with a negative of 15%, really award. Or two projects with a negative of 10%, really be award. So, kinahanglan nga kanang pag-hinahinay na pasasan ang mga project na dili man negative, kaya once na negative, dili i-award. Materials engineer and project engineer must update their accreditation license. So, ang mga license and yung mga materials engineer and project engineer dapat i-update. Kung hindi ma-update, research ka kayo. Farmer kasi na dili man dawaton. So, next is preparation of the statistics. Follow the OM 197, Series of 2016. About this markup of the series. Kung dito masiyang kayo, kani di panan ni sa OWA. Once nga kanang pano, aliyadi mo automatic mo refund. Dala ng mga contractor makarifund lang ni. Muna nga kinalang careful ka sa itong preparation sa financial kay katong DEO 197 natin atong basis kay dapat ato sa mobilization nga na money mo sa kuan mo kay hindi tanan o kon investigi unta tanan o tanan mo sa mo tanan mo na mag-refund. Next is DEO 115 Series of 2021. Those contractors that had completed projects for almost 1 year. So sa itong mga contractor na naungan yung mga project for 1 year, need mo submit yung certificate of final assistance and warranty bond to the Procurement Office Manila or District of CCNA staff so that contractor's information profile will be updated. Non-submission to this warranty certificate is also a ground for disqualification of contractors. Muna nga, hindi mo pa-update sa inyong kanina mga project na nangahuman, ang itong, for every project nga itong di-apilan, once na ma-apil mo didat ang inyong CC. So, may kanarong project apilan, kalinaw didat, ang ito na, wala masero ng NHTC. So, kung dapat, ang itong NHTC, ang sakay ng NHTC, once na mahuman ng project na, completed na, mo submit mo dahil ipilan na certificate final acceptance and warranty ban ang musaka na kubalik itong NHTC. Next is online submission or electronic submission of bidding documents. So, pwede sa ka maka-online, pero nag-ugiwa kayo. Makasabit ang mga kontakto through online na, so, nagdepende ang mga sa itong kanang signal kay once during bidding day, so, dili mo maka-accept o makasunod. Maging makonsahan yung mga is-to-face wala sa amin. Contractors can buy the documents to any nearest district office as per DEO 64 series of 2012. So, mga contractor, katungkas Cebu, makapalit sila, bisan adra Cebu makapalit. O ikaw, taga-taglan sa pwede ko kakapalit sa tuwas Bolwan. O ili-check sa ng ari, pero sa tagal ng mga contractor, ari dito kayo sila mga kanang bulletin nga na bakit sila kabantay. Per DEO 105 series of 2020, kalibig about sa policy, directives on transparency and accountability for procurement process. Wala nga na tayo Facebook, social media platform. So, posting of all awarded contract of Philchip, Library website, contiguous places, and Facebook. Pwede na Facebook, YouTube na. Wala tayo Facebook. Next is equipment needs. So, kaning sa equipment needs, importante dyan kay ila dyan yung PASCUAL, tanawin dyan na doon sa kung naman na yung mga equipment, kaya ba siguro may equipment. PASCUAL, the minimum required equipment for contract, for the said contract I believe, na may mga kanang minimum required equipment. After that, kanang contractors kay personnel must follow the minimum required experience required. So, kailangan mo follow ta aning na contractors kay personnel kay dagan kung may tabo nga mga contractors kay personnel na ilang pagbuhaton dili mo pagbuhat na sila wa nila tan-awa ang ilang experience ilang mga kanang manager. Ang ilang butang ibig kay galaan na lang ang contractor, na butang 3 years na. Niya mo na 28 ka itong ilang contractor na. Mo na kung mo ba nila nagkanang usay, magkama na sila, kung wa nila yung update ilang mga employee mo nang kailangan pa na i-update ko na ninyo o tanaw ninyo ang inyong mga safety personnel. Payment of redox for the following project. Payment for the redox for contract 456 24HC 0056 and payment ani 50,000 for kani 57 25,000 and 59 58 25,000 25,000 sabi na ang 56 naman 60,000 next is about sa buying of the documents, natay po na nila a numbered memo. A numbered memo dated March 6. A numbered memo dated March 6, 2023. Secondly, the previous memo dated December 27, 2021. About nita, na nangupalit o videos na need of company profile. Company profile dili ang kinahanglan o SPA. So nga, kay tungkol sa kanang project, ang license officer or owner dili ma-available ang anak. Kung palit, wala pwede makapalit. Kana ilang sakto, representative with ID or authorized authorization later. Wala. Then, about the plans, winning bidders must comply the following requirement. Pumalit performance ban, kagi, bid securing declaration, PDM, plan, notaryo o duli, o required na kami magadaog. Plans can be downloaded at Google Drive and then was posted at check. So, kuha mo sa plano or makakuha ko mo actual nga sa plano, kaya plano na sila. Yung cut-off time for the purchase of the documents is at 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. lang na ito cut-off time kay 10 ang ano na eligibility. For those who conduct or will buy bid documents at any district office, isubmit na rin po yung feedback kayo mga mo sa eligibility. Before 10, kayong usapin mo after 10 na, dili na naman kuan, dili na ma-appeal. Before 10, ang inyong ihatag, hato dili ang inyong message mo, isend namin. Tawag lang yun, namalit mo kayo, bawin. Isend mo na kung tatlo na naman That's all for the procurement. And for the implementation, we have Engineer Toribinias.
Good morning. Sa implementing sa construction, kanang ang among kinahanglan ani ilang hour sa ilang hour jud sa contract kasi makadaog una nga magkuan jud ta conduct sa astig plan conduct ang astig plan nakauban nato ang taga sorbitin Unsa kanang makon mag-pre po sa punta kay aron diskutan kita tungod sa mga tao kay importante kanang maay kasagaran ko muna yung facilities for katong patang ang apoyan in town siguro na kanang banghouse kay need do na namo kay kasagaran birthday bitaw na nila ikuan labi na imuha labi na to imo dako project labi na to imo bukid na dito yung makuha siya mo dito kanang na ay house sa facilities for the engineers. Unja mo to nga mag-pre-procta, mag-pre-call. Dayon, mag-submit yung kong is-scope kay mo man to mo to ang lungawa na mo inakuha sa PCMA. Mo to yung basihan nga ay asa na mo dapit. Unja, mura na ako sa construction. So that's all construction.
So that's all for today's video that I